Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about a joint venture business, a very important type of a business activity. In joint venture business, we see that it is temporary partnership. So joint venture is a business arrangement in which two or more parties come together to pool their resources and expertise to carry out a specific project or a business activity. So basically, the definition is same related to partnership. So we see that a joint venture is a type of partnership, but it's temporary. The parties involved in joint venture agree to share risk, reward, and profit of the venture. That is also a main feature of partnership as well. A joint venture can be formed for various reasons. Now we discuss the type of reasons that why joint ventures can be formed. The first reason is that to enter in a new market, a joint venture can help companies enter a new market by leveraging the local knowledge and expertise of a partner. So basically, one reason is that one company enter into a new company, new market, where the company has no expertise of experience of running the businesses. Then company can joint venture with the local based country company. So they have in that way they have to get the local knowledge and expertise of as a partner and definitely run the business properly. Second reason is there to reduce the cost. Companies can share the cost of research, development, marketing, and distribution by forming a joint venture. Now we understand second reason that company can reduce the cost. Due to that reason, company can go for joint venture purposes, and the costs include development, research, marketing, and distribution. The third reason is that to access the new technology. A joint venture can provide access to new technology or intellectual property that can be used by both partners. So if one company is expert in making the product and second company is expert in making the technology, definitely they have combined their resources uh, and definitely they run the business properly. The last reason is there to reduce the share the risk by reduce the risks. By sharing the risk of a new partner venture partnership, partner can reduce their individual exposure of loss. So now that we discussed the four reasons behind for forming a partnership. The first reason is there to enter a new market. Second reason is there to reduce the risk. Third is to assess the new technology, and last but one is to reduce the risk. Instead of being lost by one company, now we have to share the loss because as well as we have to share the profit as well. When forming a joint venture, it is essential to have a clear agreement in the place that outline the rules and responsibility of each company or each partner, as well as how profit and loss will be shared. It is also important to consider the cultural and legal differences between the partner and to choose partner who share similar goal and values. Sometimes there is a conflict of interest arise between the joint venture companies, a firm, a partner, and sometimes the cultural and legal issues also are differences in both partners companies the expectation, and according that there is the main concern of their lose of their interest. So basically everything is clear in front of each one, and there's a written agreement between both of them according their loss, profit, and responsibilities are mentioned there. Thank you very much. I hope so you understand the concept of joint venture. See you in next video. Take care.